Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create story highlights on TikTok. A brand new feature that will let you save your favorite stories on your profile so people can view them anytime. So before we start, make sure your TikTok app is updated to the latest versions because this feature is still rolling out and may not be available for everyone yet. So let's get started. First, just open TikTok and then go to your profile page like this. And then on some accounts, you may see notifications or prompt on your profile that introducing the new story highlight feature. Like in here, if you see it, just simply tap on it on here. This one, these notifications, just tap on it, and then in here TikTok will show you your available stories, and then next just select the stories that you want to include in a highlight. Just choose the stories that you want like this, for example, and then next just tap add like this, and then just give the highlights name. Just feel free to name it like this, and then just simply tap on create, and just like that you're done. Your story highlight will appear on your profile like this. It's like the Instagram highlights like that. And what if you don't see the notifications on your profile like before? Don't worry, there's another way to create a story highlight. Just simply create or post a TikTok story as you normal would, or you can also open your old story, for example like this, and then next just choose this icon, this highlight icon like this, and then next just you can create new one or just add it to the your previous highlights, and just like that your story will be immediately be added to you new highlights or your old highlights. And okay, here's something useful. And then next, after creating a highlight, you can continue editing later, that you can add more stories to the same highlights, rename it, or manage the story inside it whenever you want. And okay, so if you are organizing content into categories, story highlight can help keep your best stories visible even after they would normally disappear. And just remember that because this is a relatively new feature, maybe some accounts may receive it earlier than others. And if you can't find it yet, make sure your TikTok app is updated, and then just check back later as TikTok continue expanding the rollout. And okay, that's how you can create story highlights on your TikTok. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.